So in this part, this will be the last part, and in this part I want us to discuss the next steps. In this tutorial, we covered the following items. We set up PyTorch and imported our necessary modules. We downloaded our training dataset. We downloaded our test dataset. We previewed the images. We created our data loaders, examined the shape of the data, declared our device, create the neural network model, train the model, ensure the loss reduces with training, test the model with test dataset, examine our accuracy and loss, save our model, load the model, and use the model to make predictions. So if you scroll down, you'll see all of them: part 1, part 2, part 3. This code will be available for you in GitHub. Just check the link in the description box of this video. Also remember, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss updates. Now, what next do we do after having completed this class, basics of PyTorch tutorial for beginners? I've made up some next steps we are going to be looking at. So I want us to kind of learn some basics of theoretical background of tensors, which is actually the basis of PyTorch. We are going to look at autograph, backpropagation, gradient descent, training pipeline, linear regression, logistic regression, dataset and data loader, dataset transforms, softmax and cross entropy activation functions, feed-forward network, convolutional neural network, transfer learning, TensorBoard, image transfer, and then we have to move from there as well. So these are the next steps. If you like to learn from this, if you want to join this tutorial, please remember to subscribe and also leave me a comment in the comment box of this video and let me know if I'm missing out anything from this list, and I'm definitely will add it if I notice something I need to add to this list. So this is where I wrap up this training. Let's see in the next part. I remain kind on the genius, and I'm always there for you.